It's back. The sports truck is back. Alright my lovers, welcome back to another video. So there's a few things we're going to be doing today. Firstly, I've got some new toys. I'll talk about them later. Secondly, we need to get our truck washed because it is absolutely filthy. It is one dirty bitch. So if I'm honest with you, I've been neglecting it a little bit lately. I mean, look at the state of it. We've got mud here, we've got dirt there, just filth all over the place. So first job of the day is we're going to go to a truck wash and get it cleaned. I'll tell you what, all that cleaning, I just give me a massive urge to go and find a coffee. So, job number 2, we are going to go and hunt for some delicious caffeine. Alright, so now I've had my caffeine fix, I'm thinking to myself, why not just spend a day cleaning? I mean, not the whole day, I mean, just do a bit of cleaning in here. Even though I only cleaned it less than 2 weeks ago, you'd be surprised how much crap builds up in here. Look, have a look at this. See what I mean? Dust is just attracted to the inside of this cab. It's like one big dusty magnet of filth. Just picks up every speck of dust within like a 5-mile radius. So what we'll do is we'll bust out our cleaning supplies and do some housekeeping. Right, so firstly we're going to need our spray. Oh my god, this stuff is delicious. It smells so good you could eat it. Right, second we're going to need that one. Then we're going to need this. And then for the final details we're going to use this little guy. You know, if you're going to do the job, do it properly, and that does include getting the crap out of your cracks as well.
Get it on. Let's get it on. Let's love, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Sugar, let's get it on. Ooh, we're all sensitive people with so much to give. Understand me, sugar.
And that, my lovers, is a job well done. Going to give it 5 minutes to admire my handiwork before we continue on to my actual job, which I probably should already be doing. It's good to know that my priorities are in the correct order. But you know, seeing as this thing's just had life-saving surgery, I think it's only fair to give it a bit of love at the moment. Right, should we go and do some work? So this is where we're to today, the land of the wealthy, the town of the posh, the ones that don't actually use their own bins. They just bring it to a Tesco and dump it on the floor. Messy people. There's even a toilet seat over there. There's a lovely toilet seat. Yeah, they didn't bother to use their own household waste. They just bring it to a Tesco on the floor. You should have seen it last week. It was up here. You couldn't see those. You couldn't see them at all. It was just covered in black bags. But I suppose that's a good thing about this place. They actually put it in bags and it's easy just to launch it on the back of there. Bing bang bosh, job done. We shouldn't be here long. I've already started. Look, bit of polystyrene. Yeah, he could live on polystyrene. He absolutely loves it. Let's have a look what we got. We got some pillow stuff. I'll have a look in that one for some money. I've been in one of these before. I found 20 quid. What's that? Christmas wrapping. Oh, bag of socks. Always good to have. Always good to have a bag of socks. Some towels. Lovely. Yeah, this is not the nicest place. Have a look at that. The rats have been having a go on that bag. Ooh, microwave. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, dear. We got more shit. Do you see what I mean? Messy bastards. But that's not going to get us down. We still need to feed our cage. So I'm going to start with this one. So as Marvin Gaye would say,
let's get it on.
Didn't want that to happen. Getting there slowly, He's filling up. He takes a while to digest his food, but give it an hour, it'll all be gone. Oh, this one's heavy. I might need 2 hands for this. Stay. Whatever. Hold on, what have I just seen? Hold up. Oh, it's got a stain on it. Oh no. I was going to say that'd be a nice little carpet for the cabinet, but no, we have not been victorious today. Right, we've got about as much as we're going to carry. I can't put any more on because we're already carrying the maximum we can. So, bing, bang, bosh, another job done. Now I can have a 5-minute break. I'm going to finish my coffee. Then we're going to run into Tesco, get them to sign their life away, and then go to the tip. So today was just a quick little blast, just to I just wanted to test out this little guy. I've been playing with it all weekend. It seems to do a good job, but I thought I'd test it out in the field. Oh, what on earth is that, Benji? This is like an electronic stabilizer type thing, so I can get some decent shots. It's not like handheld, and it's not shaky footage, and it's all like smoothed out, and you can make some nice like cinematic shots with this little guy. So a big thumbs up to the guys and girls over at Patreon for making cool little things like this possible. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish my coffee, I'm going to get my paperwork signed in Tesco, have a little browse, do a bit of shopping. If you'd like to, leave a like. If you've got something to say, leave a comment. If you disliked it, double tap the dislike button. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.